Here we have Snuggles from Little Live Pets. Snuggles is a very cute little puppy. His switch has a try me button, off and on. He looks very realistic. He moves his head. Whoops. And he moves his eyes. Even if you let him lay here long enough, he'll start snoring and go to sleep. After a while, he will shut off on his own, or you can always use the power button in his foot. Both of his back feet take batteries. He comes with a little bottle. Once he wakes up here, if you push the bottle in his mouth, he'll make a sucking sound and eat from it or drink from it. He's got a cute nose, little pink felt tongue, and beautiful little eyes. You can also put your own name on the tag. This is Snuggles, Little Live Pet.